Hi everybody, I hope everyone's doing well. Welcome to my channel. I do unboxings and try-ons and reviews and anything else that sounds like fun. And today it is Sunday morning and I'm kicking off another What I Wore video. So my co-hosts are here. Do you want to say hi, Zena? Wyatt, can you say hi to everybody? So it is Sunday morning and I have a very long day of sitting in the car. My son has a hockey game that is 3 hours away. So I will be sitting in the car, then sitting in a hockey rink for a few hours, and then sitting in the car again. That's my entire day today. So I picked an outfit that was going to be comfortable and hopefully appropriately warm enough. I have a pair of Sanctuary joggers on, the little camo joggers from one of my trend sends. This is like a purpley colored sweater from the Loft from probably last year. I don't think it's 2 years old. I think it's from last year. And I'm going to wear a jean jacket that I got in a wantable. It's cut from the cloth. And I have a pair of slip-on tennies that are Dr. Scholl's. And that is my outfit for Sunday. So here it is. And I like this. It has the little t-shirt hem here. It's a cute little sweater. So it's not too thin, but it's also not too thick for layering. So hopefully it'll be good in the car. And I did slip-on shoes just in case I want to take them off while I'm in the car. Since I don't have to drive, so that's nice. And this is my jacket. I picked the lighter color since everything else is so dark that I have on, except for my shoes. Let's see if I can get this jacket on. And this is my outfit for Sunday. So, for all you hockey moms out there, I'm sure you can relate. I hope everyone has an awesome day today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody. Hey, everybody. It is Monday, bringing you outfit of the day. My sleepy sidekicks are all here. I'm going to say hi, Zena. She is looking for the treats because she knows when she joins me, I always give her a treat. It's so sad, but she wants me to pay up front, but now I pay after. Otherwise, she hides. So it is Monday. It's going to be high, I think, 63 today. And I have a long day because Mondays my son always seems to have these late night hockey games for his school team. So I have on a pair of Spanx faux leather leggings, which I just love. I think they are just very comfortable, and they just have a little bit extra because they are the faux leather ones. Although I don't know. You guys will have to see it. I don't think they look really that leathery. And a tunic top from one of my Golden Totes. And I do have a long tank underneath it that I got at Kohl's. It's one of those Sedona everyday tanks. And I don't know where my shoes are from. Oh, they're Carlos Santana. So Carlos shoes. And they have an open back to them. And I'm going to take my jacket that I just got from my wantable with me for tonight. So here's my outfit for Monday. She's so cute when she wants to be. Okay. And I'll get a little closer, see if you guys can see these leggings. I don't think they look all that leathery, but they do have a shine to them. So and these shoes have the heels cut out of them, but the toes are closed. And this is my jacket that I just got from Wantable. Oh, I still have a tag in here, I see. This is by Liverpool. So I have one more tag to cut out of it. And it does have the little hand coverage, which I really like for the rink. It has these cute pockets. And it zips up really high if you want it to. So if it's too cold in there, but our home rink is not too cold, so that's nice. So this is my outfit for Monday. So I hope everyone has an awesome start to their week, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody. Zena's ready for a treat. Hi, everybody. It is Tuesday, and Wyatt and I are bringing you outfit of the day. Aren't we, Wyatt? Yeah. So it is a rainy day, but the temperatures aren't too bad. It's going to get up to like 63 today. So I've already been out in the rain, but I am wearing a pair of Express jeans, a top that I got in, I think it was like my very first mix and match box. And I do have a tank underneath it because it actually has an open back. I have a pair of mules on that are Steve Madden, and my best from my last Wonderful. So here is my outfit for Tuesday. So this is the back of the top. It's open. And I put on these, they're basically like a gold shimmer, a goldish taupey shimmer mule. And these are just Express jeans. And I do love the back of this top, if you guys can see that. So I do have to wear a tank underneath it. And for when I go outside, I have this vest from my last Wantable box that I kept. To wear over top of it. So this is my outfit for Tuesday. So I hope you all have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Hi, everybody. Wyatt and I are bringing you outfit of the day for Wednesday. What do you think, buddy? So for today, it is going to be a high of like 55. I have on a one-shoulder sweater that I got in a trunk club, which I kept, and it's not something I probably would have ever picked out for myself, but I like it. It is by Treasure & Bond, and I have a pair of Lila Ryan jeans on that I got in a trunk club, and a pair of shoes on that I got from Stitch Fix. And I have a wrap that I'm going to wear for when I leave the house that I got at White House Black Market. And that's my outfit for Wednesday. Wyatt's ready for his nap. Okay. So I love these shoes. They are peep toe, so I wanted to squeeze them in because today is going to be a nice sunny day, even though it's not going to be overly warm. But after today, it's going to get a lot colder for the rest of the week. We're dropping into the 40s after today. Yuck. So I like the length of this sweater. It is warm. Yeah, the sleeves are a little bit long, which I did fold them. But if it's cold, I don't really mind. It still works, I think. And this is my wrap for when I leave the house that I got, I think, last year at White House Black Market. So I like this one because you can do this if you wanted to, sort of make sure it stays on, or just wrap yourself up however you like. It's a little bit heavier, and it's some nice neutral colors. So this is my outfit for Wednesday. So I hope everyone has an awesome day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody. Hi, everybody. Wyatt and I are here to bring you outfit of the day for Thursday. It is finally getting towards the end of the week. So today I have on a pair of Paige jeans, a top that I got from my mix and match, and this has a tie. I tried tying it here, and I had it loose, and immediately my throat started to constrict. So these tiny little corners even like slightly touched my neck, and I thought I was going to die. So now it is tied way here at the bottom to actually pull them down a little bit and away from my neck. So far I'm okay. So this is like a serious issue. I have on a jacket, and this is a sleeveless top. And then a jacket from the Loft that I think I got probably last year or possibly even the year before. And a pair of BP slides. So here is my outfit for Thursday. And why it's gonna go to sleep, because just the sound of my voice puts this dog to sleep immediately. It's crazy. All right. So I like this top. It's longer in the back. It's probably more like a tunic length top. And I've just put on slides today because the first snow hasn't fallen yet. And this little jacket that is like faux leather on the sleeves. Excuse me. And now I have Wyatt here on my black jeans. But okay, and then these jeans have the little zipper on the front, which I liked. I think that's a nice, cute little detail. And they have the raw hem. So this is my outfit for Thursday. All right. So I hope everyone has a good one, and I'll see you tomorrow for Friday. Bye, everybody. Hi, everybody. It is Friday, and Wyatt and I are here for Outfit of the Day. Right, Wyatt? You love Outfit of the Day, right? Maybe we need to get you outfits for the day. He hates clothes, so he would hate that. Hate. So it is another rainy, dreary, cold day in PA. And so for today, I'm not appropriately dressed, unfortunately, because I don't like the weather. So I have on a pair of 9 West boots. They're like wedge boots. A pair of Paige jeans, a sweater from Ann Taylor that I probably got 100 years ago, and my camo jacket from my last Loft haul. And that's my outfit for the day. And the sound of my voice is just lulling Wyatt to sleep. So let me share. So I might be a little cold today, but I don't plan to spend too much time outside, just running from my car to the door and back. That's it today. Yeah. So this jacket is not too heavy, but at least it's another layer. But I do have a full sweater underneath it, and it does cover my butt. So hopefully it'll be warm enough. And I'm thinking the suede boots probably aren't the best in the rain, so I'm hoping that I sprayed them. But this is my outfit for Friday. So I hope you guys all have an awesome day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Hi, everybody. It is Saturday and the final day of this What I Wore Outfit of the Day video. Zena's here. Yay. She is only here under the guise of getting treats, which I did not pay in advance this time so we could get her attention. Right, Susie? She's so funny. Wyatt's here too. Don't worry, we're not ignoring you. So it is Saturday. It's finally the weekend, and I am headed off to shopping and lunch with my friend. And it is super cold out and very, very windy, and it's like 20-something degrees out. So lovely, right? So today I have on my, hi, can I help you? So today I have on my Liverpool jeans from my last mix and match with the really cute embroidery on the ankle, and I love, love, love them. And I have on a blue top that, because I was trying to pull the blue out of the embroidery from Ann Taylor, like the regular Ann Taylor store that I got a long time ago, and I'm not loving this top. So I'm going to have to try to find a top in this color because I think I'm going to have to get rid of this one. And then I have on a blank NYC suede jacket because it's really heavy since it's so cold outside, but then I'll be inside for a good part of the day, so I'm trying to balance being too cold and being too warm. My necklace is from White House Black Market. I think my earrings are too, and I have a scarf I'm going to throw on for when I'm outside. So here is my outfit for Saturday. So I'm not loving this shirt because, I don't know, it has like this gather here and I feel like it's doing something crazy, but I put it on because of the pretty embroidery here, and I want to pull out some of that blue. And I put on my Jeffrey Campbell. The dogs are getting crazy. But I put on my Jeffrey Campbell soft boots with this so that, seriously guys. Okay. So you get up with a day and a show today. Anyway, my Jeffrey Campbell boots, which I thought fit well with this. And when I go outside, I'll put on my little scarf, because you guys know I don't like anything too tight around my neck, so at least this gives me a little bit of something extra. And this is my outfit for the day. So I hope you have an awesome Saturday, and I hope you enjoy these outfit of the day videos, and this should wrap it up. I'll try to get this done and posted sometime later today. Have an awesome, awesome weekend, guys. Till next time. Bye, everybody.